What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jay, aka Mr. Reebok, and today I'm back with another fire review of the Reebok Aztrek 96. First, let's take a look at the white, blue, black, and orange colorway. Killer. And for the second review, let's take a look at the gray, white, and black bottom colorway. These are smooth. And last but not least, let's go over the black, white, and gray colorway. One of my favorite everyday kicks. It's that time for our on-foot review. These will match perfectly with a throwback Knicks jersey. I know the Aztrek are low-key fire shoes, different from anything else in the sneaker game right now, but definitely something that's comfortable that you can rock every day. Enough colors where you can really match it with different outfits. You can see how comfortable these shoes are on my feet. Easy to rock, easy to wear, could match plenty of outfits and still have something on your feet that's comfortable. If I'm gonna rate these from trash to drip, I'm gonna give these a big drip. And ladies, these shoes are perfect for the summer, really comfortable, great for little barbecues, parties, where you're moving around a lot and still want something in your feet that's comfortable. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with some friends. Gang.